Volunteers of Legal Service, we partner with the private bar and community organizations to meet the civil legal services needs of New Yorkers. Right now, we are seeing an affordability crisis, benefits getting cut off. Our immigrant neighbors are living with incredible uncertainty. They are often desperate for help.
One of the biggest barriers to accessing legal services is knowing how to navigate the legal system. The best way is to have a lawyer by your side.
We are living in the environment where services are being cut, and I think the barriers to accessing legal services are actually quite practical. Finding time, where to get the help, how to get to that help, its language barriers, immigration status, and this is where VOLS is particularly incredible because of its partnerships with community organizations and meeting people in places where they live, where they work, and where they need that help.
Legal clinics are a great way to serve clients because you bring people together to simultaneously assist a large volume of people all at once. You have volunteer attorneys who are trained to sit down with our clients, talk through their issues. Through the Benefits Law Project, we host 2 rent-freeze clinics a month. We help people collect unemployment, freeze their rent, and prevent eviction. We teamed up with our community partner, Hamilton Madison House, to host a rent-freeze clinic. We brought in pro bono partners to work with about a dozen tenants, learning whether they were eligible for this rent-freeze benefit and to help them apply on the spot.
In the course of the micro-enterprise clinics we run, we bring together attorneys from MetLife and from a partner law firm to give webinars to underserved communities of small business owners and aspiring entrepreneurs about legal topics that are key to starting and running a small business. Having legal advice is the key to ensuring that you avoid unnecessary personal liability that could have catastrophic consequences. I've seen how people who have a dream of starting a small business to support themselves, support their families, and live the American dream have gained the tools they need to succeed.
VOLS's legal clinics are wonderful ways to provide legal services to the community. Deborah Ways and VOLS have done immigration screening clinics, which are in-person clinics for people who don't know whether they are eligible for immigration relief to come in and for free have an experienced immigration lawyer assess what sort of immigration relief they are entitled to. The clinics happen at community organizations and that are easy for the clients to access. People feel alone in struggling with their immigration problems. VOLS does a real service to the community, helping people who wouldn't otherwise have access to a lawyer.
When the Incarcerated Mothers Law Project goes in to do a legal clinic, month after month, our team of volunteer attorneys goes inside the prison and we meet with between 10 and 15 women who are incarcerated. Our pro bono volunteers are meeting each client who shows up, helping them navigate family court to reconnect with their children and enforce their rights. When someone does not have a lawyer, they have to figure everything out on their own. And when is isolated and incarcerated, that's virtually impossible. The VOLS team is providing very robust training and guidance throughout the clinic for all of our pro bono volunteers. Many of the women haven't seen their children in many years. They don't understand their rights. It is an incredible experience for them to sit with pro bono attorneys who are listening to them, to feel like they're actually getting some help.
VOLS makes doing pro bono incredibly easy and rewarding. I took on a case for a New Yorker from Ukraine like me. She's a single mother alone here in New York. I was able to speak her language and to really explain these complicated documents to her in a way she understood. It reminds you why you became a lawyer.
All of us became attorneys to create a more just society, and there's no way to make our society more just in a tangible way than to participate in a clinic and provide pro bono services to someone in need. There is a place for you as a pro bono attorney to make a meaningful difference in another person's life.
All of us have an obligation to use our legal skills to show up for our neighbors.
As New York City attorneys, we all have an obligation to show up for our community.
I encourage everyone in this room to get involved in pro bono work, involved with VOLS. It is important for all of us to show up for each other and to do what we can.
We all here have an opportunity to show up by engaging in pro bono and helping thousands of New Yorkers access justice.
We are all privileged to live in the greatest city in the world, but it's a complex city, a melting pot of tons of different people with different backgrounds, different languages, and very different incomes. And it is our responsibility to give back, donate your money, help our community be the very best community it can be to help people who need that the most.